Hello everybody, this is a project I've been looking forward to. This is the Dancing Wings J3 Cub from Banggood. It's a 1180mm kit, and this will be the first installment, part one, the unboxing. Here I'll take a look at the contents and we'll go over them. Here we have the cowling. It looks pretty nice, it's clear, hope it takes paint well. If it's not unsatisfactory, I can 3D print a replacement. The contents of the box look pretty nice. It doesn't look like there's any damage on the first inspection. Here's the hardware kit, and I noticed the wheels are a little bit small. I'll probably replace them with larger ones. And the landing gear aluminum, just testing the springiness. It looks pretty good. Might have to add some wires to it. And so we're looking at the main package here that has all the plywood and the windows. Here's the instructions. I've already downloaded the instructions. They don't look too great, but we'll deal with that. It's this is a pretty simple kit, not too many parts, so it shouldn't be too difficult to put together. And there's the windscreen for it. Hopefully that'll work out. Probably will. And we did have some damage on, I think, one of the spars. I'm not sure which piece this is. We'll figure that out later, but it shouldn't be a showstopper. Might have to replace this or get them to send me a new piece, but not really worried about it too much. And here's the push rods for the aileron and the rudder. Everything looks pretty good. Everything's there. Haven't checked the hardware kit yet, but yeah, if you want to follow along this build, it's going to be a lot of fun, and we'll let you know what difficulties I run into, what things just work, and just follow this series, and we'll have fun together while I build this. And then hopefully we'll get to see a maiden video here at the end when I get through. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Like and subscribe and comment, and we will talk to you later. Have a wonderful day, and happy building.